Afternoon. Are you name Goody?
Afternoon, yes.
I come about the bar work.
Take a seat. So what's your name?
Charming.
You ever work in a bar before?
No, I'm working a couple of wholesale, but I don't think bar work hard.
Okay. You know that working at my bar requires that you work from Monday to Saturday.
No, I can't work on Saturday, I'm a 7-day Adventist.
We also need you to work on public holidays.
No, lady, public holiday for me, I'm a picnic them.
Okay. Wait, let me help you. No, I can manage. I thought this was a lounge. No, it's just a bar. So you're here for the work?
Oh, no. I came for my daughter. She went out last night and she's really tired. What's your resume?
You sure it's a bar work your daughter want?
I thought I was coming to a lounge. Maybe this is the wrong place for her to work.
It might be the wrong place for you.
So a week on a week off, I say?
Yeah.
So I have to go work in the sun out there?
Tell me something. Why you think it would be an asset to Goodable's bar?
I'm gonna look good. You don't know someone love spend the money when them see look good girl in a bar. Zeke, make you sure something else in a...
Go on now. Aye.
Someone get to work?
So let me tell you, Bubbles, the amount of people will come today and I tell you say not. None of them no make one. Who that?
It's good.
Bubble, may I call you back here? How are you doing? Zone officer.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This lady here made a report against you in a case of assault over the arm. And we are here to arrest you on charges for that said offense. So please come with us.
No, sir. Today I'm my idea. She do what? You want to get myself in any more trouble?
Come. Yeah, them gone with her. But then if I have to go with her, they want to lie me tell when me go make the report. Me tell them say she hit on my head 6 times with a stool and I couldn't remember nothing till 30 minutes after. Me tell them I played me no. Me tell them. But they never want to hear. Alright then, me I go here later. One down.
Babes, no rooster soup not there.
We have to tell you this morning, say it down.
I walk around the road like this.
So I will look on the fish then.
But there, man. Yo, Davey. How me go on with you and go today, Daddy?
What, me and Goody? Well, I can't know, brother. I take man some ends in a shop, boss. Don't swear some man at the eat, no, brother. Some man all a wife up some look a hungry belly girl, brother. Man used to feed, boy, yeah.
My youth. Careful, yeah?
I'm some man, boy, careful. Right now, I don't care about nobody, no, brother. I'm my name Dog Bed. I'm the first dog background of this.
Yo, Dog Bed. Me are bigger dog than your back and a flea kill that, yeah?
I'm some man, brother. Yeah, you all of them dog your background, yeah, so. I feel me dog them. I show me lucky get you. No way you are doing it. I can't free up some of the dog them.
So you couldn't call me? Alright, so I'm on the phone with you. I'm going to tell you, say, may I call you back? Same time them come.
So wait, my nice clean friend.
Bubbles. The better talk about it. I'm glad you're being because I couldn't even spend half hour in there, so. I must say, wicked and lie to you, say. For me, because 6 times in our every cheer.
What do you mean?
No, me have court next month. Hurt me.
Call off my phone.
For what?
I block him next. I him want me in a this.
You want our next meeting.
Crosses there. You know the stuff that hurt me.
Goody! I want me hear a one.
Anything you hear, I saw it go.
No, man. I tell Shappy, you know, I tell him. So I smell trouble and I talk about stop the foolishness with my nose. I'm going to tell him, I say, Shappy, something smell like Tagwan with our road.
Goody, you're not supposed to have our address on file. Yeah?
So police, come here, take you and gun and left the girl here in a It seems like the meeting never, no soap, man. No.
Yeah, Mitzi. You know, say you slack off from what you do. Oh, you mean for not tell me, say, Keisha breed?
Babe.
Is not junior she a breed for girl. What you mean? I know a Bubbles my name, you know. Is Kirk she a breed for. You can't tell me. You can't. Girl, me call you back. Yeah, you're going to get in another long argument, you know. Hold on, no, man. Remember, don't wash them dishes and then I call you back. Alright? Alright.
My good writer, so.
Sure.
Yes. I didn't look at the first day I walk go. Something you want, you know. Tomorrow.
Yeah, babes. What?